Welcome back, everybody. There's been some updates. Got a dyno jet. Got a tune from High Tech Power Sports. pv3. Let me show you what I got going on. So this is the dyno jet pv3. Here are the pins. This is the locking tab. It goes into it like this. Now if we turn mine around, see that red wire, how it's in the middle? That's power. 13 volts. I got 13 volts. 12.8 now. I've just got a little maintainer on it. We come down here. The pin's at the bottom. So I've got to move this pin in the corner here, right there. Move that one up and over because it will not power up. I'll do this one-handed. Snap. Locked in. No screen, no power. Because that pin's in the wrong spot. So I guess it's a difference on the 23 Mavericks Sports. Or maybe this is a factory error when the harness is being made, so I'm going to have to move that dummy plug up. So I'm going to look up on how to do these style Deutsch connectors. I'm used to European, but we don't have these in European cars, not here in America. And voila, it works. Swap the pin around just like that. And it works. So I don't know if this is a 2023 thing or maybe it's a mess up from the factory, but I did also find one of my fuses wasn't installed in the right place in my, yeah, so watch out for that. If you think something's wrong, you spend all this money on a pv3 and it doesn't work, but it works on the computer. So I believe we got the stock file on there now. I'm gonna go try and get dyno jet tune.